Welcome back to another edition of Gold Country Slot Car Racing Association. We're at Valhalla Speedway this week for the first installment of our newest series, the Penelope Pitlane Members Only Historic Grand Prix, and this is going to be a blast. These cars are so much fun. Here's a look as we're heading to the starting line. You'll see Mercedes, Ferraris, Gordinis, all the cars of the past, these 1950s, 1930s. You'll see it all. These cars are so much fun to drive, and we're going to get a look at one of the races coming up here. All right, at the starting line, there's Jerry on the inside, JR on the middle, and JV on the outside. All cars get away well. The flag's dropped, and here we go. The first race of our newest series, the Penelope Pitlane Members Only Historic Grand Prix. All cars away well. Jerry's out front in the 1960 Aston Martin. Beautiful car that John Roberts built there. And there's JV on the outside, storming around in his 1957 V12 Maserati, the 250F. And John Roberts is in the middle lane there with his 4CLT Maserati from, what was it, 1939 or so. Now, all these cars are Penelope Pitlane cars. We bought them as kits, and we've built them to race them. I mean, we wanted them to be beautiful as well, but, you know, what's the point of a gorgeous car if it can't run around the track? So all cars are way well here. Jerry's still out front. Now, we are timing these races, keeping track of all of the scores and all of that. I didn't put it up on screen. We're trying to take it easy. Now, these cars are going about 5 seconds per lap is kind of the quick time so far. Ooh, JV had a problem up there going up the hill around the S's. Oh, no, John Roberts has caught up. Maserati versus Maserati, about 20 years the difference between those two. And you'll see the 1957 Maserati of John Vina coming away. He's pulling away couple car lengths now, and Jerry's just minding his own business in that gorgeous Aston Martin. Coming around now, he's going to be approaching the back marker, and we'll see what he tries to do, if he tries to hang back or if he's going to go for a pass. Now again, as I said, these cars came as kits. We bought them from Pendle Slot Racing, the only place you can get these Penelope Pitlane historic cars, and they are beautiful. They're easy, much easier than I anticipated, in fact, putting them together and getting them ready to race, which is what our intentions were. Now, Jerry's coming around. He's going to try to pass JR, I think. What's he going to do? Coming into the harbor, and we've got a problem. Let's check the instant replay. What happened here? Looks like JR's late on the brakes, tips it over, comes out of the slot. Jerry can't slow down in time, and he's tipped it over. We're going to need a marshal over there. All right, Mario's got the cars back in the slot. Now, here we go. Coming around, we are nearing the end of the race. Looks like Jerry's going to take the race win as long as everything goes well in the end here. And JV's coming around. It looks like he's going to take second place, and then JR in third. And there's a look at the cars as we're ending this heat. Drivers unplugging. Next three up to the starting line. As you see there, these are 30-second scale cars, Pendle Slot Racing. But let's get a look at the podium from today. JV in first, Paul in second, myself in third. Thank you for watching, and make sure to catch the next round at Grizzly Mountain Raceway.